When it comes to any language, you just need to keep practicing to keep it part of your everyday speech library. The more you practice and use what you learn, the easier it will be to learn even more. The more exciting it will be for you to learn. Let's get started with today's lesson. एक, एक, दो, दो, तीन, तीन, चार, चार, पाँच, पाँच, छः, छः, सात, सात, आठ, आठ, नौ, नौ, 10, 10. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. We hope you enjoyed the video. If there is something specific you want to learn, you can tweet it out to @ToffeeTVPK, and we will be happy to add it on. And if you found the video helpful, be sure and share the link with your friends. Thank you for watching. There's always something new at Toffee TV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. ToffeeTV.com